Hey Jackie, it's Devin again. Thanks so much for speaking to me on the phone. In this quick video, I'm going to give you 3 simple tips you can easily follow so you can start beating Westside Roofing, because if you type in Cleveland Roofing Company, these guys show up right here at the top, and I'm going to show you exactly how easy it would be for you to copy them and beat them. I know you're probably asking why I would even make this video for you. I just found out a little while ago there's lots of roofing contractors that are so busy running their business, they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody to help them because they don't know who is an expert and who's not. So I started creating these attack plans and just giving them away for free. Most people take this information and do it themselves, and that's awesome. Some people say, you know what, Devin, I like you. I just don't have the time to do this. Can you do it for me? And that's cool too. Whatever you want to do with this information is totally okay with me. My only goal is to educate you and help you make a lot of money. I'm going to talk to you about 3 quick things today. Content, backlinks, and citations. First off, though, whoever designed your website did a fantastic job. I love the red, white, and blue. I love the images. You've got the custom lines going on through here. You've got a chat widget from High Level, which is awesome. And you've just got a lot of really clean design, a lot of nice logos, a lot of great spacing, really good fonts. It's a beautiful looking website. Now, what Google cares about when it comes to ranking is all the stuff that you can read and highlight called content. The average website on the front page of Google has 1,500 words of content, which is where you kind of want to start. And you currently have more than that. You're at 2,000 words. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that these inspections or these reviews from Google, these are what's considered, what's it called? They are considered duplicate content, which means it doesn't count as initial content. So you're a little below 1,500 with fresh content, but that's still fine. You're still doing a great job. Now, the more content you have, Google, it allows you to fit in more of what's called buyer intent keywords. A buyer intent keyword is a phrase that somebody commonly types into Google when they're ready to purchase from your business. So I found a couple of keywords for you right here. You can feel free to pause the video and put these in your content. So for example, roofing companies Cleveland, 250 people put that in Google every month. Or for this video, I'm using Cleveland Roofing Company, 200 people put that into Google every month. Or even Cleveland, Ohio roofers, it's another 150 people. So for just those 3 keywords, if you were number 1, you'd be number 1 in front of 600 people every month who wanted to purchase roofing. Imagine how much that would change your business. So you want to make sure that you have these keywords inside of your content. And if I go and I search your content, you can see you don't have Cleveland Roofing Company anywhere on this. Well, let's check out Roofing Companies Cleveland. You don't have that one either. So make sure you fit these keywords inside of your content. One more thing too is you can also save your images as keywords too. So like Eagle Eye Roofing here, this could be saved as, instead of like the name of it being a logo, it could be Cleveland Roofing Company or Akron Roofing Company or anything like that. Save this images as well. All these can be saved as keywords. All right, so that's my first tip for you regarding content. My next tip for you is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. And this is important because Google's kind of like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy and relevant websites vouching for your website. Like I said, they want to see trustworthy and relevant websites. You're going to get a lot more power with other roofing and construction companies linking to you versus having Pizza Hut linking to you because Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tool I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. You don't need to pay for this tool. Just Google Backlink Checker. You can see the same data for free. It says you got 19 websites linking to you, while Westside Roofing has 136 linking to them. If I were in your shoes, I'd copy them. If these 136 websites are good enough to rank them, they're going to be good enough to rank you too. So I'd go one by one to each of these websites the same way they did and put a link on each website back to my own the same way they did. A lot of times it's easy, like Expertise, you click Get Listed, Yellow Pages, you sign up, Super Pages, you hit Join, you create a free profile, you put a link in your profile back to your website, and that simply you have a backlink. So it's really simple to do, it just takes some time. But if you copy their backlinks, plus you beat them in content, those 2 tips alone are enough to get you ranked number 1 organically. My last tip for you is how to show up in the map section. If you want to be number 1 in the map section, you got to have more citations than your competitors. A citation is when you list your name, address, and phone number inside of a directory. And a directory is a website that allows you to list your business's information, kind of like, Yelp, Angie, BBB, Yellow Pages. If I were in your shoes, I'd figure out what directories First Choice Roofing was in. I'd put myself in the same ones and then add a bunch. So if First Choice Roofing was in 150 directories, I put myself in at least 300 just to blow them out of the water. But that is all I have for you, Jackie. I hope you found this informative and helpful. My goal was to keep it as short and to the point as possible. As a quick recap, you want at least 1,500 words of content on your homepage that are original, not duplicate content. And you want to fit in keywords like Cleveland Roofing Company, Roofing Companies Cleveland. Again, you can pause this video and just take these. Then you want to take the websites that are linking to Westside and get them linking back to yourself. And finally, put your name, address, and phone number in more directories and First Choice Roofing. If you follow these 3 tips, Jackie, this is how you become #1 across the entire front page of Google. Now, I know you're probably asking, what do I do now? You have 2 options. The first one is to take this information and do it yourself. This is a great route to go. If you decide to go this route, your competitors are already doing this. The less time you take to get started, the less catching up you're going to have to do. If you have any questions or you want any help getting this done, give me a call at any time. My phone number is 972-736-8808, and I'd be happy to hear your goals and give you a free attack plan on what to do next. It was great speaking to you on the phone earlier, Jackie. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I hope you have an awesome week. I'll see you.